This channel gets millions of views and the author earns tens of thousands of dollars a month. Here is another channel that also gets millions of views and earns thousands of dollars. Undoubtedly, as a viewer, you have watched videos on such influential platforms as YouTube and TikTok, and think about which videos you would prefer to watch. These videos, filled with exciting content, have won the attention of the public, and people are happy to go into the virtual world to enjoy a variety of creative ideas. However, an interesting point arises in this context. Many content creators are willing to produce long-lasting videos. However, let's not get hung up on this uniformity, because we have the opportunity to bring a fresh perspective and uniqueness to this niche by offering an idea that will not only stand out, but also perhaps become a bright splash in the world of online entertainment. What if we offer you content in the format of what would you prefer, but with nothing unusual, namely superheroes? We are ready to organize comparisons between two superheroes, create exciting stories of clashes between entire teams of heroes, revealing the splendor of their unsurpassed abilities. Sounds exciting, doesn't it? But don't worry about how to formulate fascinating questions, because we can rely on our faithful GPT chat, which has a high level of artificial intelligence, to easily cope with this difficult task. For your even greater comfort and productive work, I will provide you with a special hint. This hint will be aimed at generating unusual and interesting questions between superheroes, stimulating the active participation of your audience in the comments. And so that you have a clearer idea, I'll add 2 sample questions so that you can visualize how your future content might unfold. In order to add even more exciting elements and informational value to your content, I asked the GPT chat to provide random percentages reflecting the various possible reactions of viewers to various answer options. All this extensive information will be carefully arranged in a structured table, providing maximum clarity and understanding for you and your audience. Thus, let's not waste time in vain. Let's immerse ourselves in the creative process together and create content that will not only attract attention, but also remain in the memory of your audience. When you enter Canva, start creating a unique design by choosing a template specifically designed for the YouTube Shorts format. Our next step is to carefully develop a video template that will not only attract, but also hold the attention of your audience. Going to the Elements section, add a square that covers half of the intended template. The expressive red color of this square should instantly attract the eye, and duplicated and covered with a blue square will add dynamism and depth. Add a thin square to the center and enclose a circle in it, coloring it in intense black, thereby creating an expressive contrast and focus on the center of the design. Go even higher by adding a text layer with an intriguing question that will not only make viewers pay attention, but also stimulate their thoughts. Experiment with different fonts and add effects that will not only emphasize the importance of your question, but also give it an additional layer of mystery. Duplicate the text layer to create an alternative version of the question. Then add 2 additional text layers to display the percentages using different colors: green for the higher percentage and red for the lower one. Place these layers on top of the others, creating an unusual visual effect and adding mystery to your design. Select the perfect clock icon from the Elements section to create a timer. Adjust its size and exact location in the center of the template. Add frames and carefully adjust the time to have full control over their appearance and emphasize the dynamics of your content. Don't forget to add sound effects such as the sound of a baseball switch for harmonious transitions and the ticking of a clock to create an atmosphere of tension and time drama. Apply animation with sensitive art to the layers to give your video not only a complete, but also a professional and extremely attractive look. Now, to avoid the limitations of Canva on simultaneous duplication of sound effects, use the following trick. Delete all created layers, load an empty template with only sound effects, and then immediately press Ctrl+Z to return the deleted elements. Go to the download section and download this updated blank template, thus keeping your sound settings in their pristine creative power. Let's take a closer look at the process. The first step is to download the provided template from this resource. Please make sure that the selected template is successfully downloaded from the specified resource, because the basis of your future content depends on it. Moving on to the next step, place the downloaded template as a background layer, which should be in harmony with the already existing content. This process becomes easier if you use the Set Video as Background option after right-clicking. This creates a unified visual perception of your project. Now that the background is ready, let's move on to creating unique visual images of superheroes. Here, a powerful artificial intelligence tool, Leonardo AI, comes on the scene. Enter the names of the superheroes from your table and wait for the system to generate unique images. This stage may take some time, but it is certainly worth the effort. Striving to create expressive and fascinating visual characters. In case of unsatisfactory results from Leonardo AI, you have the opportunity to download superhero images from Google and add them to the generation process. The process of uploading the generated images to the Canva editor and creating all 10 clips at the same time is the next step towards creating your content. Additionally, you can create even more videos in Canva apps by simply copying them and getting new clips. After previewing the generated clips, make the necessary adjustments and, if necessary, change the color palette. If the percentages in the video turned out to be incorrect, proceed to correct them. When your project takes its final form, upload unique clips to various platforms, such as YouTube or TikTok. Perhaps using superheroes created using artificial intelligence will give your content uniqueness and attract the attention of the audience, contributing to the growth of your channel. Try to improve the quality of your videos and post content regularly to attract more attention and increase the number of views. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click on the bell icon to join me in the wave of my training programs. Analyze and repeat step by step with me. Grow and prosper. Let's make this world a better place together.